Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create assignments. Let's get started. Welcome to one of our Google Classroom videos. If you are a teacher or student that wants to learn more about Google Classroom, then click on the card on top right to be redirected to our playlist. Also, please consider hitting that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon to never miss another video. Now, to get on with the video. Okay, so this is actually going to be a two-part video. So one part of the video will be here, and then the other part of the video will be published later. So, sorry guys, I forgot that yellow thing for like a couple videos for Google Classroom. But yeah, it's back. So first things first, like always, go back to your Google Classroom homepage. So classroom.google.com. And then select the class, and there you go. Also, previously I have shown you guys how to create a classroom, invite students into it, change the theme, how to comment and change commenting settings. And like I said before, today we are going to be creating assignments part 1. So you're going to want to go to your classroom, like I said before, go to classwork, click this plus, and we have 6 options here. Create a topic, assignments, quiz assignments, question, material, reuse, post, and like I said already, for some reason, topic. And in this video, what I'm going to focus on is assignment, question, and topic. Everything else will be shown in another video, okay? So I'm just going to start with topic. So this is how you create a topic, how can you use topics and why. So for example, if you have multiple units in this subject, you probably will, you're gonna want a topic. I'm gonna call my first topic variables to keep it in the same computer science section. And then I'm gonna start with creating an assignment. Now assignments, it's probably the most complex, one of the most complex kinds of questions you could ask. Basically, it's kind of like a project where they turn in a document or a slides or some kind of Google thing or something from their computer. So they upload something. So I'm just going to call it what should I call it? Make a game with everything you know already about Java. Yeah, Java. And yeah, you don't actually have to do the question I'm doing. You could do it whatever you want. Okay. And I'm gonna keep it at 100 points, all students. Yeah, you could give it to separate students if you want to. I'm just gonna keep it at Bob. And due date, 4th, and I'll do 2. Actually, no, I'll do it 14th. You can do whatever time you want, by the way, guys. So yeah. So there's the due date, and I'm also gonna add it to variables.topic, and I'm just gonna select assign. In about 2 more videos, I will show you how to turn in work for students. There you go, we have that. And one more, it's question. Why, you could add whatever question you want, and there's gonna be like a text box of what to type in, of where to type in. Why would you use variables? Ask. Asking. Boom. Oh, I just forgot to add that. I keep on forgetting. gonna click edit and select a topic, not create a topic, go to variables. And there we go, guys. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video and you want to never miss another one of my videos, then hit that subscribe button with the bell's notifications icon. Trust me, it's worth it. Also, smash that like button, and if you feel like a comment, I get through every single comment what you guys comment, and 99.999% of the time what you guys comment is supporting, and I want to thank you guys for that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and I wish you luck for your Google Classroom journey, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!